Hi guys, welcome back to Deranged, and today, as you can see, I'm sitting in my office. So if you've been watching some of our latest YouTube videos, we've been talking through the process of building our new HQ. We moved from a pretty much roadside high street setting, and now we're obviously on a farm, and it's a lot different, but as you might be able to tell from looking at the office and what we've done, it doesn't feel like we're in a farm, and that's what we like to do. Yes, we've got loads of space now, and it's very rural and it's very rustic, but get inside the workshop and it's our typical setting, typical brand image. We've made it really nice. We've put all the flooring down now, so thank you to Garage Style for that. That's finished. Windows are in the office, doors are in, so big thank you to Exteriorplast for sorting us out with those. And yeah, it's just a really nice place to be. I'm really happy with how it's come out, and just wanted to show you really, last episode of the build, show you what we've done and what it looks like when it's finished. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you like what we've done with the place. I'm really pleased with it, proud of it to be honest. Like I said in the previous videos, we done most of this ourselves, pretty much all of it ourselves. The guys that work for me, they're hands-on, they build trucks day in, day out, but when it come to the point we needed to build this new place, they all got stuck in, and yeah, like I said, we've done everything other than Exteriorplast doing the windows for us, Garage Style come and put the flooring down, Imageworks done all the signage, but other than that, we've literally done everything. Everything from putting the mezzanine up, to building the stud wall, to boarding it all out, to doing the plumbing, to doing the electrics, everything we've done here ourselves. So just want to say thank you to all the guys that work for me for getting stuck in doing that, and let us know what you think. I'm particularly proud of the office. The vision for the office was exactly how it's come out. I've got my trophy wall shelf, which was a last minute thought, used up the space. So I'm really pleased with that. Yeah, just a place looks unreal. So yeah, put down in the comments what you think. And if you want to see the build, the process, as we was doing it, go back and check the other videos out, because we documented it the whole way through. Other than that, keep watching, keep following us, subscribe, hit notifications. All our content now is going to be about what we do best, building the trucks. So thanks again guys, thanks for watching, see you soon.